Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Oscar as your moderator today. On this occasion, we would like to present information about the state administration directly delivered by the experts. Now with us, there are some people who will share us the information about the Supreme Court. Please feel free to introduce yourself.
Everyone, my name is Gina Vinkala Pessoa.
Everyone, my name is Stella Margareta Dindamirela.
My name is Nova Raisa Setiafidillah.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Hikmah Rahmawati.
Thank you so much for attending this occasion in the middle of your busy schedule. So here now, without any further ado, let's us begin the event. For your great speaker, please, the time is yours.
Thank you very much. I'll be take the responsibility to explain it first. And before that, again, thank you very much. Well, there is this saying in Indonesia, which is tak kenal maka tak sayang. So first, I would like to introduce you to Supreme Court. What is Supreme Court actually? So the Supreme Court is a state institution that exercises the highest judicial power in Indonesia. The judicial power exercised by the Supreme Court is independent. It means that the Supreme Court is free from influence or interference of other state powers. And for the Supreme Court, always receive interference from the government, which is the executive, even though the Supreme Court is an independent judicial institution and should be free from any interference from any power. But eventually, the Supreme Court firmly found its identity after the amendment of the 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia. If we observe more deeply, the existence and urgency of the Supreme Court since its establishment until now always get a place or priority to be discussed on the constitutional system. It shows that from the time of independence until now, that there is always renewal. And it indicates that the Supreme Court, in this case, as a judicial power, that is truly independent in realizing the ideals of the rule of law in Indonesia.
Wow. So the existence of Supreme Court in Indonesia is really important, isn't it? And we already know that the Supreme Court in Indonesia have been experienced several renewal since long time ago until now. How about its position? How is the Supreme Court take position in Indonesia? Could you please explain to us about that, Stella?
Sure, with pleasure. So, in Indonesia, the Supreme Court (MA) has the position of the highest judicial institution. This means that the Supreme Court is the apex court that has the broadest jurisdiction in this country. As the highest judicial institution, the Supreme Court has the authority to decide cases submitted to it, provide meaning legal interpretation for other judicial institutions, and supervise law enforcement throughout Indonesia. The Supreme Court also has a role in maintaining the supremacy of law and ensuring justice in the justice system in Indonesia.
This is getting more interesting. I can wait to know more about the Supreme Court. How about the means that duties on and function of the Supreme Court, as well as the authority processed by the Supreme Court? Anybody can answer this?
The Supreme Court has the served desk and the function. There are 1. Distinct functions. As the Hill Student Court, the Supreme Court is the session who takes if the first universe in the application of law jurisdiction discuss and judicial review to answer that all laws and regulation towards the theory of the Republic of Indonesia are applied first place and the correct. 2. Superior function. The super control are the of the his supervision of the class of the justiciar in all justice, everything with the end the phrase out by the court, out the care and flight. got the bypass of the justiciar that is simple, fast, and low cost, with reduction to the fandom of the judge in the example and the disease case.
The authors are three setting function on the Supreme Court can further regulate matters necessary for the smooth administration of justice if there are matters that are not sufficiently regulation in the law on the Supreme Court as a complement to, to fill legal deficiencies or gaps necessary for the smooth administration of justice. For advice function, the Supreme Court provides advice or consideration in the field of law to other state high institutions.
Okay. 5. Administrative function. The Supreme Court has the authority to regulate the duties and responsibilities, organizational structure, and work procedure of the court register. 6. Miscellaneous function. Apart from the main duties of receiving, examining, and adjudicating and resolving every case submitted to him, the Supreme Court may be entrusted with other duties and authorities based on the law.
And Supreme Court have several other as a government institution. First, the Supreme Court has the authority to declare and expand cases patient. Second, the Supreme Court is the text with the result of the dispute of judicial auditory at the first and the final level. Third, the Supreme Court decides of the application for the judicial review of the cause delicious the have a bit perfect legal force. Fourth, the Supreme Court delicious of the example of the law and regulation under the law is the law. 5. The Supreme Court is the address to give consent to clean a place substituted by conference of the president.
Talking about authority of the Supreme Court, you touched a little bit on cassation, where this cassation is something that is directly handled by the Supreme Court. And how is that?
So, cassation is one of the ordinary legal efforts that can be requested by one or both parties to a decision of the Superior Court. The defendant or the public prosecutor can file a cassation if they are still not satisfied with the contents of the High Court decision to the Supreme Court. And for the process itself, it takes several steps. And the first step, you can submit a cassation application and then pay for the registration of the case. And then the clerk or panitra of the first instance of the High Court will notify the opposing party in writing. And after that, the applicant must submit a cassation memory. This cassation memory and the answer to the cassation memory are sent to the Supreme Court through the court of first instance. If it is already well prepared, then if a decision has been issued from the Supreme Court, it will be notified to the court of first instance, while letter by, the court will be conveyed to the litigants or to the parties.
There are several steps to process the cassation. It is really new to me. Thank you so much for such good information and knowledge as well.
There are a few things I would like to add. It is about the legal product of Supreme Court. There are four to be exact. One, PERMA is a legal regulation established by the Supreme Court, has bidding the legal force but is under law. PERMA contains procedural law provisions, applies inside and outside the organization when related to legal age, and is subject to the principle of statutory hierarchy. Two, the Supreme Court circular provides administrative guidance to the judiciary, although it is not directly legally binding, but function in government cooperation. Sri, critically transformed into legal regulation. 3. The Supreme Court's fatwa is the Supreme Court's legal opinion at the request of state institution. This fatwa provides information and legal advice without being binding like regulation or court decisions. 4. SKMA decree is a written decision by the chairman of the Supreme Court regarding a matter is concrete and individual, is not intended for the public, applies within the Supreme Court, and has the potential to give rise to legal consequence for members of the public.
Oh, there are so much information and new things we learned today. I believe that once we share it through social media platform, many people will feel the benefit because this is such helpful information. Once again, I'd like to thank you for thank you for such a huge knowledge you guys already shared to us, and for your precious time also. We really wish it giving benefit to every people out there that's seeking an information about the Supreme Court. Again, thank you very much, and see you in another occasion. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Bye.
thank you.
guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dah.